Hey guys, hi, welcome back. Well, today's topic is quite interesting. And before that, let me thank you for loving my previous episode, which was on 5 different words which you can use to score better in your IELTS exam or job interview or any walk of life in English. Well, today we're talking about love. And instead of saying, I love this, or I really love this, or I truly love this, come on. There are different words through which you can express the same feeling. Yes, the same emotion of love. Well, these words will indicate what is your depth and intensity of loving a particular thing or a person. So let's see 7 different words which I have carefully chosen for you, which you can use while expressing your love for a thing or a person. You can use them in IELTS speaking section, writing the essay, or even in your job interview, or expressing your love to someone in a general walk of life. It could be to your parents, to your dog, to your partner, to your soulmate, or your favorite employee, anyone whom you truly love. It could also be for things as well. So let's quickly jump on to the first word which you can use to express love. Adore. Adore. You would have heard this. Let's use it. Adore. It's a verb. You would have seen this especially in churches when I used to go for a mass and used to sing the hymns. It used to say, you should adore the Lord. So adore. Love someone intensely. Love so much that is almost close to worship. Adore. The other way of saying is, well, you really adore your mother, don't you? That shows that how much you love your mom or your dad or someone to that extent of worshipping, right? Adore. Let's move on to the next word. Affection. Affection. It's a noun. You ideally use it when you want to say sentences like, you feel an affection for someone. I felt affection for the little puppy in the backyard. Well, so I'm sure that's the love which you have for the little puppy. So you're expressing that. The next one could be, well, I definitely have an affection for him. Did you notice that? So this is expressing your love for someone, right? Let's move on to the next word. Cherish. It's a verb. It basically denotes that you want to protect and care for someone. You love someone or something to that extent that you cherish them, protect and care for them. I need a partner whom I can cherish all my life. I truly cherish these shades gifted by my brother. Well, you got what cherish means. It means to express your love for someone or something which you want to protect and preserve all your life, right? Well, let's move on to the next word. Courtship. Courtship. You would have heard this, haven't you? Courtship. It's a noun. It's basically a period in which a couple gets together, know each other. It's a phase before the marriage. Courtship. You can use this term to express that phase. For example, if in IELTS they're asking you that, who's your favorite person and what did you learn from him or her, and you talk about your wife or your husband, that's your spouse or your better half, well, you want to talk about the period where you did spend time before committing to each other into marriage, and that's the word you use, courtship. So you can say, during our courtship, we understood each other's strengths and weaknesses. It was a difficult phase, or it was an exciting phase, the courtship, right? So that's the word you use to express that phase. Let's move on to the next word. Now, this one's my favorite. I used it so much during my teens when I actually learned it in school, and I love this phrase. It's called head over heels. It's a phrase in English. It's an English phrase. Head over heels. It means to love someone madly. Go crazy for the person. I immediately fell head over heels for him or for her. This is how you would use it in a sentence. He had fallen head over heels in love with his new neighbor. So, whom have you fallen head over heels for? Well, let me know in the comment section below. Let's move on to the next word of love. Idolize. Idolize. It means to totally love someone to such an extent that you actually overlook their faults. You don't see them. You are completely in love or in awe of that person, right? Well, idolize. It's a verb. The sentence can be made in this way. I totally idolize my mother. A lot of people idolize their icon. Now it could be a movie star, a sports star, or a fashion person. It could be anyone. So you idolize the person. Whom do you idolize? I'm sure there's someone for you. Well, drop them in the comment section and let me know. Let's quickly move on to the last word of the day. Now this one is very common, very easy, and I have specifically chosen for you because people usually get confused when to use it. Passion. It's a strong, uncontrollable emotion for something or someone. Passion. You can put it in sentences like, he has a passion for table tennis. This means he truly loved playing table tennis. Well, in a relationship, you can say, I could feel the intense passion of his love. Well, that's all, my dear. I hope you found this interesting words to express love to your special one or for that special thing. Give this video a thumbs up, that's a like if you've loved it. Share it with everyone who are learning English or practicing for IELTS and need new English words. And please drop your comments, I read them. If you're new, please subscribe because in here we do something creative. And my dear, do not forget you, yes, you are my rock star. Yes, and I love you guys. You will be a champion soon. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.